I'm a medical student and I study in Karnataka. My journey with Multibhashi has been really good. I liked how they were always punctual and the classes were always on time. I'm a medical student and we have to interact with Kannada patients on day-to-day basis. So it was really difficult to conversate with them. Every time I had to depend on other people to translate sentences for me. So when we had the lockdown thing happened, so I thought to utilize this time to learn Kannada, and that's how I started learning Kannada. So I downloaded Multibhashi app from Play Store, and I thought I'll be using the app to learn Kannada. Next day only, Mr. Saurav called me and he told me about the webinar they are conducting for students to learn Kannada. So as soon as I heard about this webinar, I was totally interested in doing this webinar, and I joined it. I really liked the trainer. She was never irritated by us. We used to ask multiple times. She answered us multiple times. The whole teaching methodology was really good. The way they had formed the notes, the way they had made the study material, it was really easy to grasp things from that study material. And since they had provided us the material, so we can read it anytime, the trainer and the study material was the best part about it. I would recommend Multibhashi to people because I had been trying to learn Kannada since 2 years now. I used other apps also. I used Google to translate things, to make sentences, but I was never able to do this. But this 1 month, I actually learned Kannada properly. I can make simple sentences, I can conversate with drivers, I can conversate with the local people, with the patients, and I have confidence after doing this 1 hour seminar every day for 30 days. And I would highly recommend everyone, whoever want to learn Kannada, should really prefer Multibhashi. I never thought I'll be able to learn Kannada so fluently and so easily in this small time gap. So I'm really thankful to Multibhashi that I was able to learn Kannada so well.